Hey look, a guest. Welcome back to Gratuitous Sets. Everybody, this is Crisman White. He is Room ESC on TikTok. He's kind of TikTok famous. An escape room guy. You'd never guess it, but well, there he is.
Here I am.
We've looked at this problem in the past. How do we get a wireless light? It's sort of like having a cordless hose.
Yeah, don't really work usually.
It's a bizarre problem. Crisman has discovered a solution, and he's going to describe it to us right now. It's pretty goddamn fascinating.
Cool. So yeah, I was just browsing on TikTok as I do, and I saw this guy who was making resin dice with these LEDs inside.
I never even thought of doing it with dice. Anna makes dice here. We have all kinds of dice molds.
Oh, bro, it's fantastic.
Yeah.
So for the dice tray, they have the induction coil just kind of sitting in there and embedded in it. And then when you roll the dice on it, it has these tiny LEDs that are wrapped in copper wire to receive that, that power. And whenever it's within close proximity, they light up. So super simple, very satisfying.
All right, so we've got an induction coil here. What's this power supply?
That is just a regular battery pack. I got it for $5 from like some discount store. And I jerry-rigged a phone charger to the coil itself.
Brilliant. Okay, that's just little snap connectors
little
there.
clips.
And what's the range on the induction coil?
You have about 2.5 inches or so.
That's pretty neat.
Yeah.
And so what kind of applications can you think of besides dice for this?
So one thing that I did to test out was I actually put some in this picture frame here. I got this from just a group of pictures that just came all together. I don't know who it is or anything, but I call her Susie. And I hid some of those LEDs right behind her eyes. So whenever you get that close enough to it, those eyes light up. Makes it a little scary.
Brilliant. Okay, I'm trying to think of other things that we can do with them, but rather than tell you what my ideas are, you tell me what your ideas are. Let's just leave it at that. Crisman, thank you for coming by.
Of course. Thanks for having me.
Beautiful, man.
Yeah, awesome.
Fantastic. All right, let's see some ideas. Let's go from there.